siamo uguali che non kadang na wal kau yana kilabab na tijara gini sigom sejun kapna puti oke sejun mama leu yang subsi kena usro na wale na roba na wale ni kena pananan na wale ni kena sini bilang berdua dika mama ngat kan kita kan dia saya juga mandi posa di satu saya cuma main kasih susu untuk nanti batu wali kalau nawali saya cuma nanti tutup telanjang pikiran dunia
dan dia boleh dalam tujuh malam saya mau nak awal berdua nak susu jadi stay mama materi di pun mana ada ini aku boleh saya mau nak kamu orang mau nak rombali Marawan yang di jadi begitu berbeda buat, dah boleh penuh. Ibu muna, orang muna beribadah tu ikhama, mereka sasar. Berbesar, orang mau beribadah naruh tu begitu, namun beribadah mereka sasar. Macam tu juga ni, boleh masih
iya tu belum mata. Mata situ.
Mama.
Begitu, yang cuma materi kuat. Minta besok dalam puluh lah. Karena dia wakil ini nota kono na yang ada di dua tiga na kono orang mulai tengah. Bisa dorong cuma na kami gunakan di sana kita. Jadi yang gue tukin adalah roti ini nota kono. Kami timbi tukin waktu kami na berkau ni. Itu yang nota kono. Yang nasib kemana? Wah, lagi tadi cuma yang orang nonton turun, orang mengambil kualitas. Itu sangat manusiawi, itu sangat mengalami ruangan tanpa data untuk mengalami itu. Kemungkinan cuma untuk terkait mati baru, pikir gitu takkan nonton mati tim di Onua. Kalau dibilang ramu ikut juga nanti mau juga itu telanjang ini telanjang warna budi di bawah dan orang bandara. Kalau nak balik di bawah dan Minnesota kami kita nanti. Kalau nak balik di Minnesota, sudah belum nak kasih niat speaker. Nanti tu nanti lebih marui, nanti lebih bolu, nanti lebih marui. Kalau itu orang aturan speaker satu juga. Yang segitu cuma itu tunggu dan kemudian instant train sengaja kami itu tunggu lagi itu warna kemudian yang kami nak kena naik time dan lebih kita kecil karena kami menonton lobby karena orang ini lobby ciko senang melakukan ini mata kayak Geneva di lobby Brussels lobby Amerika namun itu kena dan mereka tak oke tak kena Sema di pulau Melau, pulau Erua, pulau Melatangani, lagi pulau itu. Maru cik kita nona, dan rawat lagi dan lebih kita. Akhirnya bersama-sama membuat pertanyaan, the soil that you came from, and speaking to you as a member of a family. So today it's not just a briefing. It's a beginning of something larger, something greater. I want to begin with something deeply personal and deeply historical. Today I wear the regimental tie of the Republic of Fiji Military Forces. With pride, our military heritage is closely intertwined with that of the United Kingdom. During the First World War, young Fijian volunteers traveled to Britain and were enlisted into the King's Royal Rifle Corps. They served on the Western Front as part of the distinguished rifle regiment, fighting in some of the harshest campaigns of their war. Some of those young Fijians never returned home. Their sacrifice remains part of our national story. The King's Royal Rifle Corps later became part of the Green Jackets, and today its lineage continues in the Rifles. It is therefore entirely fitting that we gather here at this community center to launch Fiji Nation's championship campaign. So, I'd say it's not coincidence, it is continuity. From shared service in war to shared excellence in sport, that thread of history binds us. There's honor in this room, there's shared history, and there's shared pride. So this July, Fiji will host our nation's championship matches against Wales, England and Scotland at Liverpool, Cardiff Arms and Murrayfield. So that sink in for a while. Our boys in white will face three of the oldest rugby nations in the very stadiums that shaped the modern game. It's a piece of history that we are proud to be part of. More importantly, it's opportunity. Rugby is our identity. Rugby in Fiji is not a sport we adopted. It's a part of who we are and who we have become. From village greens in the highlands or the roundabouts of Laterra, to school grounds in Telemu, the dusty fields in Nanronga, rugby has given young men and women discipline, belonging, pride and purpose. Has pulled boys and girls away from destructive paths, has created role models. Otherwise there might have been none. When Fiji walks onto the field, our flag is not just fabric, it carries the hopes of youth who see in our team a pathway beyond hardship. And that is why this nation's championship matters beyond points on the table. It's about national psyche, it's about dignity, it's about belief. For decades, our players have filled stadiums overseas. They have contributed to the global game. We have not always enjoyed the economic return that matches our contribution. So hosting changes that. When Fiji hosts world-class fixtures, our tourism sector benefits. Our small businesses benefit. Our transport, hospitality and service industries benefit. Our brand as a confident, capable nation rises. And as Minister for External Trade, I look at this through strategic lens. Sport is soft power. Soft power attracts investment. Investment creates jobs. We cannot separate rugby from economics anymore. Nations that understand this win both on and off the field. So the role of the diaspora, that's us here. Now let me speak directly to you. You are not spectators in this story. You are ambassadors. Many of you serve in the British Army or have served. Many of you work in healthcare, in finance, in education. Many of you are raising children who carry both Fiji and the United Kingdom in their identity. When Fiji plays in Liverpool, in Cardiff, and in Edinburgh, it is not just a match, it is a statement Fiji stands tall among nations. So we need you to mobilize support, bring friends and colleagues, fill those stadium sections with blue, amplify Fiji's story in your workplaces and communities. Do not underestimate the psychological power of seeing thousands of Fijians united abroad. That image travels back home. Our young people see it, it tells them you belong to something global. Our nation faces challenges. You would have seen it on social media. Drugs, HIV.
Get the delegation of Fiji Rugby in Fiji to present you with this historic moment for Fiji. So I would just like to say again thank you Nawal and community. Weles Nabukuni Bengarab just getting on to the Nations Championship and how it all started. Fiji has been very well supported by our Six Nations nations that have supported Fiji's rise to this occasion. And the whole idea working with the Fiji Rugby Union having this game up in the UK is just not just a game. It's just a way of Fiji and Fiji Rugby coming back and saying thank you to the very nation that brought this game to us. So it's not only a strategic, but it's also a way of saying
where we are now and where we intend to be. So just a bit historical, and then having me is CEO, Mr. Poliswamu, and our rugby director, Elani Burns. The three of us will present. So just a brief history of where Fiji Rugby was. We were always in the Tier 2, Tier 3 nation. One as a charitable trust in the laws of the Fiji land. 2024, 2023, we won't go back to what's happened, but there was what we call an event. For any event, we always have positives that come out of it. From that event, Fiji Rugby is now shifted. We are still a charitable trust under the Fiji law, but we now have a company limited by guarantee. So what that means is we are running the business out of business. We are no longer playing sports for the sake of playing sports. We are now playing sports for the sake of developing the business side of
we came in a couple of months ago, so it was in the middle of last year, in August, once we started to take office back in Fiji with the new setup. We decided that there was a strategic plan in place. It came through the COVID period, so with all those disruptions, never fully implemented. So we decided our stories and maximize returns so that it can come back home and reinvest it into the rugby ecosystem and the grassroots development of our people. It's not just about rugby anymore at home now. We're facing a lot of social crises back home. When we talk about domestic violence against women and children, when we talk about the drugs issue, HIV issues.
Honourable Minister, Your Excellency, and also to our amazing Muvale right here in the UK. It's truly an honour to be able to join, and of course our wonderful guests. It's such an honour to be here and to share with you something truly exciting and something that we should all be proud of, and that is of course our participation in the Nations Championship. We'll just pop on the presentation and then we'll go through it together. I'd like to share with you a bit of a video on the journey of the Nations Championship. Nothing.
World Cup. Australia fell. Now the world has no excuse. July 2026, UK, 3 home tests. We have arrived.
There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have arrived. So to tell you a little bit about the background of the Nations Championship. Erupted onto the rugby scene starting in 2026. This is the biggest development in the sport of rugby since the game went professional back in 1995. And here we are, a small island nation of less than 1 million people. We're doing battle with the biggest rugby teams in the entire world. And just like that video showed, we've earned our seat at the table. And we have arrived. The competition itself is made up of 10 teams.
Partake. Obviously, listened with interest and also the presentation you made. And I very much hope we, as a diplomatic corps, through my presence to the office, we can help you. We have obviously local reach, and I hopefully you will publicise what you're trying to achieve here, most virulently in the social media space and the TV space. And I'm sure we can facilitate that for you and highlight, and I'm delighted to do that for you. I'll be also delighted, obviously, to welcome the team when they arrive on the 25th.
Wait. And that's vegetarian. Oh yes, must have the vegetable, eh? Yeah. Everyone is willing for the voting.
Huh? You can't see that.
Thank you.
Serangan na balisi-lisi ni matin itu. Usakan tunggu turang tahu. Mana main boy serangan tu. Tunggu tu. Balisi-lisi. Nak boleh gerabi. Nak boleh kau nak marah ni Nepal. Boleh. Matagal santi dengke doro matagal. Teman-teman ini pakai sama information salah pak. Setra.
Right. Looking forward to July, ladies and gentlemen.
Hosting the Fiji Rugby game.
Yeah, we're so fortunate, we're so glad that Fiji Rugby is right here with us. Not just Fiji Rugby, but with the Minister for Foreign and Trade. With so many people will be showcasing their trades on
the day.
Come July.
Let's go.
All the best.
Wabinata kani muraitu na wale kawe reitu reitu sana tu mena kuna kiti na memai sirowi mekima memai kawitaki na lumebiti kima mitiko ena kuna nukingarabi sabi nung sakat na tatawag yung kami chukuna itutuko ko chumay ingo mi wata chuko kena yarosaw ingo mi wata chuko kena bakano yung niyuna ni na belutaki na kena itasoro may na mereka na dinakati sana tigo kina bebo kalau mati kina kalau sana tigo talanga kina toko sa so kita tigo kina bona ni mami toko kina ni mami bakano ni binagati ko ni nang garap binaga na mereka malati tigo nanon na gitu tali ni tolo nabi and so sa may muriambo na matati ni kata bor tiwilan me kalau matati ko na boni tali ni garap sa tigo kalau matati ko ni lawan lesu kalau kata tiko na nonton TV ni viti kayak na kena beliutaki kalau kata tiko na nonton TV kerabin dia pun nonton TV na mana
dia na Rangga icini binang sarika no vlog.